Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to craft and use a clock in Minecraft. This handy item helps you keep track of the day and night cycle, which is super important for survival and planning your adventures. Knowing when monsters will spawn or when it's safe to explore can make all the difference. Let's dive into the simple steps to create your very own in-game timepiece and make your Minecraft experience even better. To begin crafting your clock, you'll need to gather two key materials. First, you'll need 4 shiny gold ingots. These are obtained by smelting gold ore, which you can find deep within caves or mines. Second, you'll need 1 piece of redstone dust. Redstone ore is also found underground, often at similar depths to gold. Once you have these 5 items, you're ready for the next step. Now that you have your materials, it's time to assemble the clock. Open your crafting table, which provides a 3x3 crafting grid. Place 1 gold ingot in each of the 4 corner squares of this grid. Then, take your single piece of redstone dust and place it directly in the very center square. Once arranged correctly, your brand new clock will appear in the results slot, ready for you to pick up. Using your new clock is incredibly simple. Just hold it in your hand, and its face will clearly display the current time of day or night in your Minecraft world. When the clock face shows a bright blue sky, it's daytime. When it shows a moon, it's nighttime. Remember, this handy tool only works in the overworld dimension, so it won't function in the Nether or the End. Enjoy keeping perfect track of time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.